Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to easily download and install DeepSeek AI on PC. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your browser and go to deepseek.com. Over here, click on where it says Start Now. After that, make sure you sign up for a DeepSeek account if you don't already have one. Then you will be taken to the web version of the DeepSeek chat application. Over here, go to the top right corner of Chrome where you see the settings. Then scroll down to where it says Cast, Save and Share. After that, click on Install Page as App. Then a pop-up will appear asking if you want to install this page as an application. Click on Install. So that's basically how you can easily download and install DeepSeek AI on PC. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.